Hello everyone. So on today's video we'll be making this beautiful bubu gown with Ankara patches on the front. If today is your first time of coming across my video, you are welcome. Let us begin. Okay, the first thing you're going to do is to fold your fabric into four. So I'm marking my neck width of 3 inches and neck depth of 1 inch. This is for the back. Okay, then you come down to 9 inches for the front. So go in by 1 inch. That is for the neck, front neck line. So the next thing you're going to do is to measure your shoulder and your sleeve together. You know, this is cut together. I made use of 18 inches here. So you come down by 1 inch for your shoulder slant. Make use of your straight ruler to draw a straight line. So you are going to come down by 12 inches for the sleeve opening. This is for the sleeve opening. You come down by 13 inches here. Reason is because you have minus 1 inch already before. So that it will rhyme. You use your ruler and mark straight line. So right here, you're going to come down by your hip measurement. Mine is 28 inches. So 28 inches hip measurement. Here, the hip length from your shoulder to your hip. That is what you will do here. So from my shoulder to my hip is 28 inches. I measured it. So here I'm trying to show you what I did because I thought my camera was not getting it. So the next thing you measure to your length, gown length. So I'm making use of the full length here. Full length of the fabric was 58 inches. So I made use of it. It's either 58 or 59. I just took everything. So the next thing we're going to do is to start putting our measurement. We're making use of hip measurement here. Your hip divided by 4 plus 4 inches allowance. It's only hip measurement that we'll be using in this. You put your hip measurement down in all the lines that you marked. Put your hip measurement divided by 4. Your hip circumference divided by 4 plus 4 inch allowance. So right here, after putting our body circumference, the hip circumference that we made use of, after putting it, then we are going to use our straight ruler to bring the lines to life. Okay, use your straight ruler to join the whole measurement. So right here, whatever you have on your shoulder, you are going to put it down to the armhole line. Then you mark it. Remember we have 18 there, so we have to bring it down. Now you are going to use your straight ruler to join the both lines. Then you curve your armhole. So the next thing we're going to do is to cut it out. So after cutting it out, I'm going to remove the back. Then I'll cut out the front neckline. So right here on your neckline, you can decide to make use of any neckline that you like. You can decide to do it round neck, V-neck, turtleneck, anyone. So the one that I did here was the one I want to do. Okay. So right now I'm going to cut it out. After cutting it out, I'm going to cut out the front neckline. Then I will use my I will join the both front and back. I'll cut out my what I want to use for the neck. So after sewing the neck, I will join both front and back. Okay. Join the two shoulders, both the front and back. So now I'm going to show you how to cut your Ankara. Go down by 3.5 inches. You can make 3 inches, you can make 3.5, depending on how wide you want your one. Don't want mine to be too big, to be too wide. So I made use of 3.5. By the time I will turn it with ½ inch with my bias, then I will have 3 inches left. So right now we're going to cut it out. Okay, so after cutting it out, go to your ironing table. So I'm going to use this particular one and cut out other ones I'll be using. Go to your ironing table, iron it, place your interfacing on it, iron it, use your bias strip to turn it. Okay, after turning it, then we will start placing. Cut as many as you want. Okay, adjust this. I made use of 8 pieces, so you can use as many as you want. So right here I'm trying to place it. After placing it, I'm going to sew it. If you watch this video to this extent, thank you very much. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, okay? Subscribe, drop your comment. If you have anything you want me to do, let me know, okay? Thank you so much. Thank you for watching. Try and subscribe. So after here, we're going to sew it. After sewing, I will show you the final result. Thank you guys for watching. I so much appreciate. Please like, subscribe, and you can share, okay? This is the final results. Kudos. Bye. Mwah.